Welcome to Quiz Zillion. Get ready for a turbocharged 40-question quiz. Flex your brain, beat the clock, and smash a high score. Drop your total points in the comments. Let's crown today's champion. Round 1. Which ocean covers 1/3 of our planet? Boom! It's the mighty Pacific. Name Japan's stylish currency. Can you guess it fast? Spot on, it's yen. Tallest peak on Earth. Any idea which one? Absolutely, Mount Everest. World's longest flowing river. Say it quick. Right on, the Nile River. Fastest animal running on land. What's your call? Lightning fast, cheetah. The biggest planet in our solar family. Name it. Huge and mighty, Jupiter. India's national flower. Think bright and beautiful. Lovely lotus. Correct. Which continent is nicknamed the Dark Continent? You got it, Africa. Who invented the first working telephone? Alexander Bell. Brilliant. In which year did India win freedom? Historic year, 1947. Plants need which gas to cook their food? Exactly, carbon dioxide. Chemical formula of pure drinking water? Simple and pure, H2O. The red planet of our solar system. Guess fast. Correct, it's Mars. Instrument used to measure temperature? Classic tool, thermometer. Name the force that pulls everything downward. You nailed it, gravity. Hardest natural material on Earth. Ring a bell? Yes, diamond, rock solid. Closest star shining on us every day? Right answer, the sun. SI unit of electric current. Quick answer. Right, ampere. First metal ever used by humans? Early choice, copper. Device turning sound into electricity? Exactly, a microphone. World's largest and hottest desert. Say it loud. Scorching Sahara. Longest living giant in the ocean? Magnificent blue whale. Tallest tree species on our planet? Sky-high redwood. Name the heaviest living bird. Massive ostrich. Smallest bird with lightning-fast wings? Tiny hummingbird. Fastest flying bird in the sky? Swift falcon. Biggest rainforest rich in wildlife? The Great Amazon. Which plant survives perfectly in dry deserts? Resilient cactus. Which animal is called the ship of desert? Reliable camel. Coldest continent on the planet? Icy Antarctica. Deadly playground games in a hit Korean Netflix show? Thrilling Squid Game. Adam's Family Girl starring in a dark Netflix mystery? Spooky Wednesday. Game where you build worlds with colored blocks? Creative Minecraft. Fearless spy from Mission Impossible movies? Daring Ethan. Marvel blockbuster set in Kingdom Wakanda? Epic Black Panther. Epic movie featuring blue alien world Pandora? Stunning Avatar. Movie with cloned dinosaurs causing chaos? Wild Jurassic. Superhero carrying magical hammer Mjolnir? Powerful Thor. Wizarding school adventure loved worldwide? Magical Harry Potter. Animated film with friendly snowman Olaf? Frozen Fun. Awesome job, quiz masters. Comment your favorite movie below and tell us your final score. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling quiz adventures every week.